All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to be showing you guys how to insert a Powerball arch. So in terms of the insert of the upper and the lower, we recommend two different ways to do that, okay? For the upper, we never recommend that you should have all of the screws in already. We recommend you have 2 to 3 screws, specifically because sometimes the screws fall out. So my recommendation is you put 2 screws in, you go ahead and you place the arch, stay open. You set your torque wrench to 10, open wide please. Open wide. And you do one on each side to 10, no more than that. And this is the spot where you never actually want to go too fast. So you're going to go opposite side in between each time. So we did the right, now we're going to go to the left. And no more than 10. In a correct prosthesis, it should have good pressure on the tissue. And when you have pressure on the tissue, that innately is not a passive restoration. But what will happen is that it will be passive on the multi-units, but it may not necessarily be passive on the tissue. But the beautiful thing is that tissue is able to rebound back. So what happens is that if you actually torque these things in too fast, they can actually crack. And not because they don't fit, but because there could be what we call like a high spot on the tissue. So you should keep track where you're at, unlike me. Okay, we got one left. And that's here. And then one after that? No. Let me see. So now that you're all in perfectly, you're going to go from 10 to 15. 15, one side, back side, middle, in between. Patient doesn't make any noise, usually means that you're not that tight, so you can now go to 20. If you're doing Powerball 1.0, you stop at 20. If you want to use Powerball 2.0 and take advantage of the screw loosening abilities to stop from that happening, you can go up to 25, but don't go to 25 for another 5 minutes. And that's it. In terms of the lower, you can have all the screws all at the same time, and you do the same thing, the back, the other back, the middle, 10, fill in inside, 10, 15, 20, wait, and then 25. Happy Powerballing.